Hi guys, so this is my analysis update on gold, guys. What am I expecting in gold? I'm just gonna do a quick recap on gold. I think when I analyze gold, we were around this area right here. We were here, and I said there is a possibility for gold to push up to 38.2% fib level to retrace, because we had this break of structure right here, which is closer to my 28.2% fib level, for us to actually retrace around that level before we now continue to push to the downside, because overall I was predicting a sell on gold, guys. So we can see that we actually didn't actually get there completely. We almost got there before we start tanking to the downside. So now we can see that we currently hit our TP, right? This is the minor TP, which was 2020.822, and this is my major TP, which was 2019.648. So now then we can see that that is done. I'm just gonna delete my previous analysis and reanalyze gold, guys, based on how we are seeing it currently. So we can see that we hit my TP here, right? I'm still expecting it to push to the downside to my overall TP, which is 1993. I'm just going to do a recap on how I get to that zone, but I'm going to delete this previous one just for it to look more neater and for us to be able to analyze the market in the current price market. So let's go to a bigger time frame, just like I used to do, just to see my overall thoughts on gold, guys. You can see that gold is tanking to the downside even in my one time frame right here. So this is just like a mini one that I have here. So this is where I get my first target on the gold, which is 1993, my negative 27% fib level. Just like we know, that's always like my target, so I'm predicting to at least get to that level. So now I'm going to my smaller time frame. We can see that we are around this area right here. So because of we are weakening around this here, and I'm seeing a little bit momentum of the bar, we might push a little bit to maybe right around here for us to continue to push the upside, right? Or maybe here, let's see, an imbalance. For our imbalance, change the color of that to black. So this will be my first point of interest for us to start retracing from, because this is our first breakup structure, which is 2130.573. So we might get there before we continue to tank to the downside, and if we still see more momentum of buy, then this will be my second point of interest, which is 2017.904, before we now continue to tank to the downside, guys. So that is my overall thought on gold, guys. So let's go to my smaller time frame. Let me go to my 3 hours time frame if we're gonna see anything. Not really. Let me get to my 12-hour time frame. Let's see a 1 hour time frame. Right here we can see I can draw a trend line right here from here to here. So as you can see, right, so I'm gonna go, so now, right, we might push up a little bit, just like I said. I'm gonna use a mini fib now right here. So I can have point A to point B from here to here, guys. Point A here to point B here, and we can see that aligns well with. Let's extend that. So we can see that that aligns well with uh my with my overall negative 27% fib level. So now let's see. So now that we draw our mini fib, let's see how that plays out, right? I have different scenarios. My first scenario is with my reject off of my 38.2% fib level right around here, because that is where I'm seeing some sort of like an imbalance. That will be my first spot of interest. And if I still see more momentum after that area, that's certainly my 61.8% fib level, which is 2018.66, around that area, will be my second point of interest, guys. So that will be where we will be looking forward to. But let me go to my smaller time frame just to see if I'll see more clearer picture right here. Let me see my 15 minutes. Okay, so that right now will be my sort of like so those are like my points of interest, guys. So I think we might come here a little bit, then continue to tank to the downside, just like I mentioned. And my TP will certainly be run around here, will be my first TP, overall TP, because my overall TP based on my bigger time frame is still here. So that is where I'm predicting it to be about around 436. So that is where my prediction is, right? And my second initial thought might be maybe from here to my 60% level right here, which aligns with my imbalance, right? We can see that aligns with my imbalance, has changed the color of that. So we can see that aligns with my 4-hour imbalance that we have right here when I was doing my top down analysis. So that would be my second interest if we don't react around this area to my second TP, which is my TP, which is 1993.436. That is where my TP is currently on gold, guys. So that is what I am seeing on gold, guys. Let's be patient and see how the market plays out, because this is what I am currently seeing on, because we're still seeing more momentum of a sell on gold. I'm seeing like the impulse, we're seeing some sort of a correction to give us a continuation to push to the downside for us to complete this move. That is what we are seeing right around this area, guys. Let's see how the market plays. Right now on gold, I am biased more of a sell rather than a buy, but like we know anything can happen. We like the sayings that says we don't predict the market, we react to the market. So this is my prediction right now based on my the current price action we are currently in on gold. But as time goes on, if anything changes, I'm just going to reanalyze based on that current price action. No strategies 100%, guys. We just have to be open-minded for us to be able to react to the market, and don't just us, so that we won't be fixated on our own thoughts or what we think the market should do, and we'll be more open-minded to what we think. We should be more open-minded to what the market is doing, rather. So that is my quick thoughts on gold, guys. Hope you find it helpful. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, comment, guys. Like, I like to interact with you guys. Place a comment there. It makes me happy that someone is watching and they're also commenting. Like, just if you have any question, just put it down in the comment section below. Like, I will do my possible best to answer to the best of my ability. Always remember to use proper risk management, guide, and do your own analysis. Like, my analysis is just for educational purposes only. This is how I analyze, this is how I take my trade. You can always use my analysis as a confluence to yours, but do your own analysis and trade what you see and know what you think. Trade what you see and know what other people see or think. So that is my advice, guys. Hope you find it helpful. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Share my videos to your loved ones if you enjoy it, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.